Boop. Boop. Hey everybody, it's Carol. How are you? You ready for a fun little video? Today I'm going to show you how I cut my bangs. The easiest, easy peasy way to cut your bangs. It's so easy and it works so well. I just cut them and now I am spraying them. Problem with bangs is if you're hot, or you are hot flashing, or you want it perfectly placed, that's hard to do. But if you're just a bang lover flowing in the wind, you must try this. So, okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you a few things, and I'm going to show you how I cut my bangs. So, roll the clip right now. Okay, let's pull down the bangs. We're going to part it like a triangle, and we're going to comb it forward, and then we're going to comb it up. And all we're going to do is take a scissor. You see that? Just cut across. You can make it as short or as long as you want. I'm just spraying it, curling it, just to give it a little oomph. But you could put a Velcro roller in it, or you could take a blow dryer. Easy peasy. You want bangs? Just do this, and then you could always push them away. Okay, so that's how I cut my bangs. Open up your fingers like that and put it as a measuring guide, and don't go shorter than that. That's it. Start little, let the bangs fall down, and see if they're good. And if they're too long, just do what I do. I just spray them up and just have a little flutter of bangs. Okay, now I'm going to show you a few products. So the other day I straightened my hair and I used my Revlon conditioning cream relaxer all in one. It's all in one. It's a cream. It's all mixed. You don't have to do anything except put it on for 20 minutes and take it off. You have to be careful. Oh, it's strong smell. It does dry out your hair. So I knew that would happen, but the next day I heard a friend of mine say that it's a 10 combats frizz. So I bought it on Amazon. I bought it overnight. Get to my house. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner, and this one is plus keratin, so it worked like a dream. Girls, this is a great product. My daughter used to use it years ago on her daughter to detangle her hair. Now I used it, I sprayed it all over, and it made my hair like silk again. It took all the dryness away, and you could put it on dry hair. So it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner plus keratin. And this is what it says. It's a 10, does 10 things instantly. 1, protects the natural keratin in hair. 2, it's a thermal protector. 3, it detangles. 4, it helps strengthen hair. 5, it helps replace lost proteins. 6, helps reduce frizz. 7, natural UV protection. 8, restores shine. 9, enhances natural hair body. 10, helps protect natural hair color. So all you do is spray it on and it works. The other thing I'm going to show you is, remember I showed you this sticky, adorable lint roller that you rinse under the sink? I don't know what they're doing out there, but you rinse it under the sink when it gets filled, and then it's sticky again. Well, that's good for maybe one outfit, and then you have to rinse it. If you have to do more than one thing, this is the product. And there's a few reasons why. 1, you could peel so easy. You could peel it so easy. I mean, every lint roller I've had, I threw away because I was so frustrated. I couldn't get it peeled. And this is called Everyday Clean by Scotch-Brite. And it's better than the pet hair one. This is the stronger one. I read all the reviews, and the reviews were great. This comes with 100 sheets, and it is so easy to peel. I can peel it again. Here you go. Look how easy. I don't know if you have a roller that does it, but if you do, leave it down below so we could try it. But I'm happy with this, and I was so excited I had to show you. It came in a pack of 3. I'll put the link down below. The next item I want to show you is this cleanser. This was gifted to me by PSMR. It is a perfect oil to foam cleanser. That is the kind of cleanser that I love, is an oil to foam. I need an oil to break down bronzer, foundation, moisturizer, sunscreen, contour, blush, and also when you don't have makeup on, and it leaves your skin feeling great. That's the important thing. This is a Korean cleanser. The Koreans know what they're doing with skin cleansers. Now, the only problem that I ran into is that do not put it on the eyes. So this is for your long-lasting lipsticks, for your makeup, for your long-lasting eyebrows, and this is what you do. It just look at that. It's thick. It's thick. You know it's going to remove your makeup. And then you put water on. It's a great cleanser. It leaves your skin feeling not dry. There's a website that content creators go on that we are allowed to pitch to certain companies. And sometimes they say no. And sometimes they say yes. And this company sent this to me for a review. And I've been using it. And I love it. And I love the fact that it foams up. It turns from an oil to a foam. And when I put it on my face, it's all white and foamy. And you know it's just dissolving all your makeup. So thank you, PSMR Korean cleanser. I appreciate it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you come here to feel appreciated too, because I appreciate you. I just put on my new hat by Miu Miu. Right? The color's cute. I was going to put on orange lips, but then I said the pink matches the pink. I'll put a link down below for the hat. I want to do some shout outs. These shout outs are to the women that comment, which is the only way that I can see you. Sweet, lovely women. And I come on here for my love. First one I want to give a shout out to is Diane Lee, 6434. Rose, the over 70 makeup artist. The Night Owl 9, Melissa 55, Bonnie Lemon, Jean Jacobs, Crows Rose, Din 7994, Roses by the Beach, Melanie Rose, Jane T9Z, Andy Bunn 7578, Angela Jane Lomax, SC Sweet Tea, Maureen Kenny 1005, Barbara Cosentino, Carol P. 6139, Laura Condone, Joy Foley, Cheryl 6404, JRMD 9RZ, Sherry Light, HRH Paula, Bambi Taro, Double Blessing, LB, RC3NT, and those are just a few of the wonderful women that do comment on my videos. I thank you and I appreciate you so much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you all.